Vision: Northern Bukidnon State College will be a college of choice nationally recognized for having innovative and sustainable academic programs, research extensions, and services that cultivate educational, personal, and professional growth to meet the needs of our students, our society, and the global community. Mission: Northern Bukidnon State College is an accessible community-based institution that provides educational opportunities to develop students into socially responsible, competent, and productive professionals. I choose NBC because I want to pursue my studies and to get better job in the future, and that's all. Thank you.